Hello everyone, this is Dr. Mihir Shah once again with another video. In this video, we are going to solve case study problem sum under the university question paper in the year April 2023 under the subject investment analysis and portfolio management, also known as IAPM. Again, a very important video for all the TYBMS SEM student. So in this video, we are basically going to take up the case study question that had appeared, and we'll read it out and we'll try to give the best answer possible to it. Okay, so let us see what question had appeared. You are a portfolio manager consultant practicing as freelancer. Mr. Singh approached you for his investment planning. His age is 65 years with investable fund of rupees 8 crores. He need guidance in respect of the following area and explain what are the investment avenues available to him which will give him suitable return with maximum return, and what are the various types of risks. So one is a theoretical part question, and the other one is you'll have to give your own suggestion. So remember, when such kind of questions are given, case is given, you need to first divide the case in 4 parts. First, number 1, we will note down the characteristic of the investor. Age 65 years, senior citizen. Fund is 8 crores. Investment category is retired individual. Risk tolerance will be low because since it's retired. Second will be objectives: safety of capital, regular and stable return, liquidity in case of emergency, and tax benefit wherever possible. So using these conditions, we can give them a mixed match of various investment alternatives. The total should come to 8 crores. I've given here 7. You all can even give 5. You can add up the amounts and give it into 5 also. So fixed deposit 3 crores, government bond 1.5 crores, mutual fund 1.5 crores, provident fund PPF is 15 lakhs, senior citizen saving is 30 lakhs, life insurance is 55 lakhs, and real estate is 1 crore. Okay, the total comes to 8 crores and with their respective percentages. Okay, so this is the first part of the sum, and now after noting this, giving the names of various investment avenues, we need to give a brief explanation of all the investment, what is the meaning, and a bit of merits and demerits in it. Okay, so chalo, first go through this, then we'll jump to the next slide. Okay, so now all those avenues which they had given, the first one was fixed deposit. We are investing 3 crores. Investment in senior citizen FD is offered by bank with interest rate of approx 7.5, so that's very good. So merits is safe and secure. It gives you regular interest and liquidity is available. Demerits, the returns are taxable and low capital appreciation. Next, government bought 1.5 crores, bond issued by RBI with fixed or floating interest rate. That's the meaning. They are very safe, sovereign guarantee and regular interest income. Low return as compared to equity, and lock-in period is that those are the demerits. For mutual fund, it was 1.5 crores. Investment in low risk debt and hybrid fund for income, moderate and growth. The merits are their diversification of risk and professional management and liquidity. Demerit, they are subject to market risk, no guarantee return. Next is provident fund, PPF 15 lakhs, long-term tax saving instrument, 15-year lock-in. Okay, tax benefit, you get an ATC ka tax benefit, reasonable return, approx 7.1, 7.2, safe government backed scheme. Demerits are long lock-in period, limited annual contribution because only 1.5 lakhs per year is available. So 15 lakhs for like 10 years we are taking the value. Next is senior citizen 30 lakhs. That is post office government scheme designed for senior citizen. High interest rate 8.2 approx. Quarterly interest payout, tax benefit you get. Maximum limit is 30 lakhs per account and interest is taxable. Life insurance 55 lakhs, provide regular monthly pension after investing a lump sum. Okay, so life gets covered, you get a fixed pension suitable for post retirement. Demerits is low return and limited liquidity. And last is real estate. You can put invest a 1 crore real estate. Investment in ready to rent commercial property, regular income, you'll get a rental income, capital appreciation over a time. Okay, it is illiquid asset and maintenance, there is tenant risk in this. So these are all the avenues that we have suggested with the amounts, the meaning, and merits and demerits. You all can go through it once. Okay, last conclusion we will give. So we just have to say, show the same table. We have fixed deposit, government bond, mutual fund, PPF, senior citizen savings scheme, life insurance, real estate 8 crores, and then we'll have Mr. Singh should focus more on low risk income oriented instrument, okay, that will give them regular return and safety of principal. Okay, so you can just go through it once. So this is that first part which is done. So what are the various investment avenues available to him and give the suitable return and maximum, that is done. Now second is just now this is the theoretical question, like what are the various types of risk involved. So we will do that after this slide. Okay, so last, what are the various types of risk? So there are basically two. The risk can be classified into two main types: systematic risk, and these are external risks affecting the entire market or an economy. They cannot be avoided, only managed. So the types are market risk, which are caused by overall ups and downs in the stock market; interest rate risk, when interest rate changes, bond value will fluctuate; and inflation risk, that is the purchasing power decreases when inflation rises. These are the types of systematic. Unsystematic is the second type, where company and or industry specific risk that can be reduced through diversification. They can be business risk, uncertainty due to poor management or operational inefficiency; financial risk due to excessive borrowing or inability to meet financial obligations; and C is default risk, when the borrower fails to repay interest or principal. Okay, so these are the various types of risks. You can go through it once. Okay, chalo, I hope everyone have understood how to answer this particular case study. Chalo, with that we will be ending this video here. Thank you.